YouTube right now. So, so if anybody is not stoked on being posted on the internet, let us know. We're happy to make accommodations, but it is happening. Fields of study. This is also super cool. Only 71% of people are computer science, which I was a bit surprised. We have kind of people from all over the board: political science, journalism, mining and engineering, and I mean still mostly STEM. But 8.2% is art, which is pretty sweet. So come help us with UI, because it's probably none of our strong suits. So our judges for the weekend are going to be Misty Rail from Assistive Technology, Bucky Frost, who was is a UAF alumni, I believe. Let's see, Link Larson, who's on our live stream, Kenrick Mock, who's a computer science professor at UA, Orion Lawler, who is a computer science professor at UAF, Ryan Stonebreaker, and Tristan. And we might have one or two surprise judges. We'll see what happens. And then the organizers. So people who are directly involved in making this happen, obviously Ryan and Tristan from Fairbanks, Conroy Whitney and Juneau holding it down for us there, Link Larson, who took care of all of our AV and coordinating the room, Eric Talvey, who is with Center Ice up in Fairbanks, and Arsh Chen, and then myself for Anchorage. There's also a ton more people who put effort into making this happen, and I'm happy to give shout outs throughout the weekend, but it's a really long list. As of right now, we have 17 people in the organizers channel. So it's been a group effort to make this happen. We're really excited about the attendance so far. So yeah, I'm stoked to have everybody here. Throughout the weekend, we've also got a handful of people who will be sort of like coming in and going just to check out and see what the deal with the hackathon is and what it looks and feels like. I'm pretty excited about that aspect, simply because a lot of what we're doing is about awareness. So just being warm and friendly and welcoming people into a community that has a tradition of being a lot of curmudgeons would be awesome. We also have a ton of sponsors. So the Alaska Developers Alliance, the UA hAKThon Club, I guess they spun out, they have their own club, so that's really cool. We have the College of Engineering and Mines at UAF, Launch Alaska, who I will talk more about, but they are the Alaska Developers Alliance benefactor. So they provide all of our base level of funding for the year. They really believe in our mission. I'm going to talk a lot more about what the mission of the Dev Alliance is and how we integrate with Launch Alaska on Sunday. Assistive Technology of Alaska, Alaska EPSCoR, Farshore, which is a consulting firm run by Nick Begich, and TechWise Systems up in UAF. And I think that's about it. So I'm going to just leave the schedule up for anybody who's got questions. Are there any other notes from the other locations? I'll take that as a no.
Fairbanks even hear you? Because they're all looking down.
I don't know. A couple people were looking up. That'd be really funny if I had to do this again.
Because like they're all talking and looking down.
It's like
Yeah.
you had their attention.
I think a couple of people looked up.
Yeah.
Do you know Link and Conroy? Did you guys get all that?
Yeah, no, we heard it.
Okay, cool. Well,
Fairbanks.
if not, Fairbanks is just willfully ignoring us. That's cool too. Sweet. So yeah, I guess we're gonna go from now until tomorrow at 3 o'clock. One thing I didn't go over was kind of what we're looking for as far as output. Just a simple presentation and maybe a demo of what you've built. Tomorrow night or tomorrow afternoon, the way things are going to work is that we'll turn in all of our projects at 3 o'clock. We'll get a basic presentation going. It could be one slide, it could be 5, it could just be a demo. You can get up and riff. Whatever you like to do is fine with us. And then I will be kind of talking about the Developers Alliance, and the judges will deliberate, and then I will basically just continue to talk until the judges tell me that they're done. So at that point, the judges will come up, we'll give out prizes and awards, and then we'll consume some beverages and eat some food. I do know Fairbanks is planning on heading out to a pub at 8 after the NoSQL talk, or after dinner. We'll coordinate. So if anybody in Anchorage would like to do that, the Blue Fox is nearby. It's a great watering hole, so we'll make that happen. If anybody's into Star Wars, Link's got tons of cool stuff going on over there. So yeah, we can figure out something like that. And then if anybody's got any great like 90s hacker movies that they want to see, I would totally be willing to stream those on TV. We might have to take those off the live stream, but the movie Hackers is a classic, and I would not be opposed to watching that again. So yeah, let's get started. We have like 30-ish hours, so let's get into it. Thanks, guys.
Sweet. Hey man, how's it going?
Oh,
Yes, I
thanks,
guess
man.
I appreciate it. Play around with